everyone! Welcome to Pip World. Pip means a seed. Today I got a nectaring sapling. You can see it is attached to a pip. The process of sprouting of a seedling from a seed is called germination. Seeds are dry. When they get water, they rehydrate through a process of imbibition. This is the seed coat. First, the roots will grow, then the shoot. Roots grow downward in the soil, shoots grow up. Roots grow from radicle, shoots grow from plumule. Nectaring sapling has a taproot. A plant's goal is to make its young ones through seeds. Humans and other animals eat the fruit and throw the seed. Let's save the seeds, grow new plants, and make the earth a green earth. Goodbye, everybody.